Intro. Welcome back. Let's break down the Q4 FY26 results for L&T Finance Limited. A strong quarter for this leading NBFC, with solid growth across income, profit, and asset quality metrics. The board has also declared a final dividend of 2.75 rupees per share, a solid reward for shareholders and a sign of management confidence. Let's jump right into the numbers. The company reported a total income of 4,921.16 crore rupees for the quarter. This includes core revenue of 4,920.79 crore and other income of 0.37 crore. A healthy quarter-on-quarter growth of 7.41%, while year-on-year growth stands at 22.28%. Net interest income stood strong at 2,676.92 crore rupees, showing a 5.52% quarter-on-quarter rise and 24.53% year-on-year growth. Total expenses came in at 3,709.68 crore rupees. Employee costs stood at 659.11 crore, and other expenses reached 490.83 crore. Efficient cost management continues to support stable profitability. Gross NPA currently stands at 2.88%, while net NPA remains strong at just 0.96%. Keeping net NPA below 1% is a strong positive signal for investors. Impairment provisions came in at 546.19 crore rupees. Sequentially, provisions declined by 7.43%, showing improved near-term asset stability. Profit before tax jumped to 1,211.48 crore rupees, with a strong 51.84% year-on-year growth. Net profit, or PAT, came in at 947.09 crore rupees. PAT surged 29.49% quarter-on-quarter and 50.19% year-on-year. PAT margin stood solid at 19.24%. Earnings per share reflected this strong performance, landing at 3.78 rupees per share. EPS delivered a robust 29.45% quarter-on-quarter gain and a 49.41% jump over the previous year. To wrap things up, L&T Finance delivered a stellar Q4. Revenue growth remained strong, asset quality stayed well controlled, and PAT showed exceptional momentum. With stable margins and strong bottom-line expansion, the company looks well-positioned going forward. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.